seasoned delicious foods, here to tell you about our Majestic mustard seed hot sauce. Now don't let the word hot sauce fool you, okay? You think about it as a condiment, but it's really not. This hot sauce goes further than any other hot sauce out there. It has a nice thick viscosity because it has whole ingredients in it, so you can use it as a marinade, you can use it as a paste, as a flavor enhancer. The other amazing thing about this is that it has been handed down for 4 generations. So this is really truly an authentic recipe from Jamaica. You can get it right now. You gotta try it, seriously. And like always, flavor is our expertise.